Welcome! In this video, we'll explore what it means to think like a researcher, and we'll make it simple by using a real-life example, the whole food, plant-based diet, or WFPB. Let's start with the unit of analysis. This is what we're studying. Are we looking at individuals, groups, companies? For example, we might study individuals who eat WFPB meals daily, or a company that introduces WFPB options in their cafeteria. Next, let's break down how researchers build their study. We begin with a concept, like health. We define a construct, such as dietary behavior for disease prevention. And we measure it with a variable, like how many WFPB meals someone eats per day. There are 5 types of variables in most research. Independent variable, what we think causes something. In our case, WFPB meal frequency. Dependent variable, the outcome. Example, blood sugar level or weight. Mediating variable, something that explains the pathway. Example, fiber intake improves gut health, which lowers blood sugar. Moderating variable, something that changes the relationship, like age or genetics. Control variable, not the main focus, but it can still affect the outcome. This could be exercise, sleep, or even region or country depending on the study. Researchers use propositions to express ideas like, a WFPB diet improves health. Then, they create hypotheses to test. People who eat WFPB meals daily have lower blood pressure. This can be tested with real data. When we connect multiple constructs and propositions, we form a theory. A theory helps us explain why things happen. We can also create a model, a visual representation of how WFPB meals influence health through various pathways. Finally, there are 2 main ways researchers think. Deduction, start from a theory, then predict an outcome. For example, WFPB reduces inflammation. Therefore, disease risk goes down. Induction, start from observations, then build a theory. We see people on WFPB diets are healthier. Maybe it's the fiber. Both are essential in scientific thinking. So next time you read a study or design one of your own, remember to think like a researcher. Use clear variables, a solid framework, and test your ideas with real data. And if you're passionate about healthy living, why not explore how a WFPB diet could be part of your own research? Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and keep asking great questions.